In a bold move that combines the past and the future, Alan Mann Racing, known for its classic car restoration and race car preparation, has introduced a cutting-edge electric powertrain to the iconic 1960s Ford Mustang. Famous for their championship-winning cars in the 1960s, Alan Mann Racing is now stepping into a new era of engineering, starting with the development and integration of electric powertrains into the beloved 1960s Mustang, available in coupe or fastback styles. Henry Mann, director of Amer and son of the founder Alan Mann, expressed their interest in resto mods, vehicles that owners want to improve or future-proof. Henry Mann, we believe our new 1960s Mustang Coupe meets both needs. This particular model played a large part in the history of our company and is close to our hearts. Amer carefully sources or uses customer-provided 1960s Mustangs as the base cars. These classic vehicles undergo a transformation where the powertrain is replaced with a state-of-the-art compact electric motor driving the rear wheels, and a modern racing standard chassis. Henry Mann further mentioned their commitment to electrification as a way to ensure the classic cars remain on the road, as legislation around classic cars and combustion engines becomes more stringent. The restoration process takes approximately 1,000 hours to complete. Customers outside the UK will receive their electric Mustangs from AMR's business partner, Mann ePower Cars, based near Philadelphia, USA. Mann ePower Cars, owned by another Mann family in the USA, became a new addition to the holdings of Henry Mann, USA. They have a history of manufacturing precision electronics and high-tech lighting. The ePower Mustang conversion is a comprehensive process that includes upgrading the chassis with high-quality racing standard components, regenerative braking systems, and a torsion-limited slip differential. The original 1960s interior is retained for its classic aesthetic, with modern additions like comfortable racing seats, climate control, Bluetooth connectivity, and an integrated video display. The ePower Mustang offers a usable range exceeding 200 miles, striking a balance between range and weight. Charging is also optimized, with a 20% to 80% recharge taking just 40 minutes. Henry Mann expects strong interest from existing owners and classic car enthusiasts looking to preserve and enjoy their beloved Mustangs with a modern twist. The ePower Mustang is the first of many Alan Mann Legacy Edition cars, with more exciting models to follow. Stay tuned for more classic meets modern in the world of automobiles.